Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It's a very sad day today. This is going to be Tom's last video with us. He's off to pastures new. It's been a pleasure though, Tom, been working with you. So we've got a nice little job to do in my garden for a change, that the police decide to drive through my garden on New Year's Eve. So you're going to see us putting that right.
Must be near the bottom of it.
You reckon? Keep it around, Tom.
How are we doing, Ian?
Fabulous. Film that hole, Tom. Film that hole. Hey!
Easy.
Well, first post up. Tom just tipping out an old bag of compost for us. Then just got to dig the other one out. Then start leveling things up then. Look at that down here, Tom. Look, give it a wiggle for us, mate.
I will. I'll give it a good wiggle.
Oh, we don't look. What do you reckon, half? That's target, that's what I'll do. Bring it on. What's up, Tom? Oh, well done, well done.
Done that all on my own as well.
Well done.
All on my own. Is that chip
Underneath the trees, I am safe. I am. It's just me and my
No post. Already.
birds and the leaves. I am someone under the sun. I am breathing, I am free. Morning glories on the vine, oh, they're singing to me. Oh, I'm planted in my garden. Don't think I will ever leave.
Obviously, they're not level at the top, but once it's all gone off, I can adjust the gravel boards to make that right. There you go.